Hi, everyone. My name is Andrei, and I'm the CEO of Pepper. And this is me. I used to be a collegiate athlete, and I loved working out. I actually worked out every single day for 12 years straight. But back in 2012, on that very same lake in that picture up there, I was in a wakeboarding accident. I damaged my right leg so bad that I haven't been able to work out since. I quickly started to put on weight, and the only thing I could do to stay healthy was to start logging and tracking my food. And I, along with anyone else who's ever had to track their meals, absolutely hated it. The reality is that food logging is complicated and time consuming. Existing nutrition tracking apps have massive, overwhelming food databases that require the user to look up every ingredient manually. And this process can take anywhere from 15 to 45 minutes per meal, especially if you're cooking at home. And ultimately, you're still just guessing at what you ate. What if there was a better solution? What if you could get all of your nutrition without the click of a button? Meet Pepper. Pepper is a smart kitchen hub, mobile app, and nutrition logging platform that uses voice to make nutrition tracking 90% faster than any app on the market. So you can say something like, Alexa, measure 300 calories of white rice. And Pepper will automatically calculate all the nutrients by weight in real time and even tell you when to stop pouring. It couldn't be any easier. Now, we can already do this with up to 150 different nutrients across 10,000 different ingredients. And this data is aggregated and pushed directly to your phone, so you never even have to take it out of your pocket. Our business model is simple. We sell our hardware for $249 with the mobile app and unlimited tracking included. Step-by-step recipes tailored specifically for your diet are also available at a premium subscription for $10 a month. To put that into perspective, that's about 10% the cost of a nutritionist. Now, our initial focus is on the fitness fanatic market located in the US and Canada. These are individuals that are already logging and tracking their food. They're working out 5 times a week, and they're cooking at home every day to better control their diets. Yet they're still unsatisfied with the apps that exist today. More importantly, though, is that they spend over $150 per month on their health, fitness, and nutrition. But let's not forget about the bigger opportunity here. Almost 500 million people globally are projected to have prediabetes by 2030. These are people whose lives literally depend on tracking what they eat, and this is where we see a massive opportunity for future growth. Now, we know this is a competitive space. You have nutrition tracking apps, recipe and meal services, and smart kitchen devices. But Pepper has a competitive advantage for several reasons. First, Pepper has a database built from the ground up, structured specifically for voice. This is what makes it so easy to find your nutrition content and so difficult for our competitors to replicate. Second, unlike our competitors that are creating their own content, Pepper will be partnering with nutrition and fitness experts to create exciting and engaging content and grow the platform organically. And lastly, Pepper is incredibly easy to use. We've always focused on creating a product with an exceptional user experience, and that's all been due to our amazing team. Over the last year and a half, we've built a team of designers, developers, nutrition experts, and mentors that are based out of Chicago with a presence in Europe. Now, we debuted Pepper at the Consumer Electronics Show, and since then, the response has been incredible. We've had over 200 people sign up on our pilot program, 4 letters of intent from retailers and a world-class nutrition institute. We've raised over $230,000, and we're part of the Techstars Global Accelerator Network. At Pepper, we're changing the way people see nutrition. Please reach out to me and join our revolution. Thank you.